Earlier, ang ating buting gobernadora, Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos, issued an advisory to all PGIN offices and all our partner LGUs tungkol sa mga fiesta at iba't ibang selebrasyon ngayong summer season. It's a fiesta season in the province. It's not only Pagudpud and Bangi celebrating their fiesta, but we have Badok, Pinili, Corimao. There's Farmers Festival in Batak, and also Paway celebrating their fiesta. We have Bangi, Pagudpud. We have our indigenous communities, Nueva Era also.
Yes.
It's really the season of festivals in the province. No? And it's very important that we are able to respond to the crisis and be sensitive, most especially. So we have also recalibrated our calendar, even in the provincial government. No? We rolled out our we have earlier started planning with our LGUs right after Danco for the summer, and it was supposed to be almost a month-long list of activities across the province for the provincial fiesta also, which we celebrate every May, no? Miss Ilocos Norte, we have the Little League happening here. So there are many activities. So, anong ibig sabihin kasi ng ating cancellations, postponements, or staying down? Iba't ibang options. Hindi ibig sabihin nito na walang silbi ang mga fiesta. They are our, annual cultural celebrations. And there is our opportunity to not only promote tourism and agriculture, but as communities, most importantly, it's our annual gathering. We celebrate as a town. And we have so many balikbayans coming home, no? So there is a way to still push through with the fiesta. But it's not as big. Bangi initially planned a 3-week calendar.
Yes.
Now they scaled down. I think wala, based on what you said, no?
Yes.
Or baka meron pa rin, maliit, or they postpone. So 3 options kasi. We have postponement, total cancellation, or scaling down. So we understand, syempre, kailangan na magtipid at mag-prioritize. Lalong-lalo na yung mga activities na ganyan, mataas ang energy requirement. Hindi lang gasolina, kuryente. Yung movement ng tao sa logistics, mag-set up, medyo mabigat. For Badok, they are planning a 1-day event. We're planning a 1-day event, 1 day, 1 evening. Very simple programs, no? But tuloy yung street dancing and procession kasi annual religious festival sa Badok yun. Also with Corimao, they have their fluvial procession, which is very traditional and a religious activity, and a Tuno Fest, which is something na nakasanayan nila sa Corimao din, versus having a week-long or a 2-week-long activity. So ganun yung mga options. Para sa atin naman, sa provincial government, we have select activities. We have a fun run, coastal fun run, but during the day. So parang yung mga maliliit lang yung energy requirement.